I'm Chef Mike Moses, and welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to the gardening episode as we continue to build the garden. Today is going to be doing some fencing. I'm going to move some dirt, and I got a new little toy. I've got my front end loader for my X304 John Deere. This is a decision I made. I was going to look at getting probably a bigger front loader, and then I decided, well, it's really not necessary. When I get my organic soil in, I'm only going to be moving basically 14 yards, and then I'm going to be done. I don't need it. I do have some cleanup to do around the yard, but I figured, why not get a loader for the lawn tractor? Now, my lawn tractor is not a tiny one. It's a 300 series, so it's medium range, but it does do the job, and it does do it well. So throughout this video, we're going to be building a fence, we're going to be moving some dirt, and getting the garden prepared. Right now I've got the bed started, so you're going to be able to see what it might look like. Hopefully in a couple of weeks you'll be able to see what it completely looks like, but right now we're just going to start doing the building part. So please enjoy. I'm going to plant, what am I going to plant? Snowflake peas, Oregon sugar pod 2. Now these peas I've actually soaked for about an hour or so, and I've got my beds laid out, and I haven't got the garden completed yet. But the reason that I'm doing this is so that I can get the pre-frost vegetables already planted. So I'm going to lay out a row by dauber. I'm going to lay out 2 rows, and I'm just going to start putting the holes probably about, there's got to be 6 inches apart. I'm going to multi-sow these. So we'll start off with the Oregon sugar pods. And I'm going to put 2 peas in each hole. Do it by hand. Makes it easy. And this whole section is going to be peas. And I've already got some T-bars so that I can trellis them up as they grow. And the reason I've got that, the reason I've got these peas in this area is that this is the, they're going to create a shade, and I don't want the shade to impinge on any of my other plants. We're going to do some onions here shortly. Have to make sure I've got them in the right place. I'm only planting them about an inch deep at the most. I hope to have this whole bed done up with peas. Then we just cover them lightly. This is a no-dig garden, and what that means is basically I've put cardboard down, and I've put my compost down, and I can plant right away. This is the middle of April. My first frost is, or my last frost I should say, is the 10th of May. Keeping my fingers crossed. And one thing I got to do, it's important, you should always do this. I'm going to find my pen. There it is. There's sugar peas. Put that stake in there. And I'll do another couple of rows.
Can you feel them too? and thunder rolls, but just hold on to my hand and don't let go. Once more into the fire, once more into the burning flames, once more into the fray. But I swear we're gonna be okay. I can see it on the horizon, spray painted in black and blue. I can feel the storm winds rising. Can you feel them too? Rain pouring, the sky's falling, lightning strikes and thunder rolls. But just hold on to my hand and don't let go. Once more into the fire, once more into the burning flames, once more into the fray. But I swear we're gonna be okay.
So as you can see, I got the first part of the garden in, at least everything I can plant before the last frost. And the last frost should be another 2-3 weeks away. Keep the fingers crossed on that. We'll continue on with building more of the garden and getting this greenhouse moved down to the lower lot, so to speak. If you like this video, please don't forget to give me a thumbs up. And if you'd like to see more, please subscribe. I'm going to be posting new videos at least once a week or even sooner to let you know what's going on. And buy local if you can. In fact, I've supported Sugar Moon Maple Farms, placed my order. Hopefully it should be here soon. And we're going to do a cooking episode for sure real soon. We're going to do some candied bacon and possibly some candied Brussels sprouts. So I look forward to bringing that to you within the week or so. During these trying times, be safe, take care of yourself, take care of your family, reach out if you have to, let everybody know you're okay, say hello to everybody you can, use whatever method you can. The telephone, it's there, it's always been there, pick it up and use it. Same with video chats, you can use Facebook. I'm actually watching a friend of mine, Chef Mike Newton, every day. He does a cooking video, and my wife and I, we pop in and say hi all the time. So until the next video, which is coming up very shortly, I'll see you then.